Hey everyone, we are back with another Plan With Me. I am finally back again, and this week we're going to be using the sticker kit from my Etsy planner sticker shop, and this one is called Hey Hey UK. This one is part of like a travel themed kind of mini series I have in my sticker shop, so this is the one we're going to be using today. So if you guys remember my last Plan With Me, I had been gone for a while and I came back, and then unfortunately I had to be gone for a while again. So literally about maybe 3 hours after I uploaded my last Plan With Me that Sunday, I had just gotten over COVID. I was finally feeling better, getting ready to go back to work the next day. I had cooked myself some dinner and I think I gave myself food poisoning because I had a miserable night. And subsequently, I was sick for the rest of the week once again. So it was definitely not my intention to ghost you once again. I did that Plan With Me. I had one other video uploaded ready to go, I think on Tuesday of that day. It was another one of my swatch party videos for Flower Nose products. And then it was radio silence until now. So unfortunately, I'm very sorry that I had to ghost you once again. But I had COVID for a week, got over it. Then I had food poisoning for a week. And then I just spent this last week of this week just literally trying to catch up on everything that I was not able to do while I was sick in bed, and I did not have a good time at all. Honestly, though, I think between having COVID and between having food poisoning, I would have rather had COVID again. It was a miserable time both times, but honestly, throwing up is one of the worst things ever. And that Sunday night after I had dinner, my stomach started hurting. So I suspect that something that I cooked, I had gotten groceries earlier that morning, just a few things kind of get me through. I had gotten some vegetables for like a stir fry that I did. I had gotten a steak. I don't know whether it was the vegetables or the steak that I got, but one of those two definitely wrecked my stomach. I have a suspicion that it was probably the steak that I got, but at the end of the day, I don't really know. But that was a very miserable night. It started with my stomach hurting and like very nauseous. All I could do was like lay in bed. So it was probably about 6:30 or 7. I had laid down in bed just to like settle my stomach. And then the nausea came, and I have all these like telltale signs of like when I'm going to throw up, and I could tell those signs were happening, and I'm like, oh no, this is not going to be a good night. And to spare you all of the details, it was just a very, very rough night of vomiting several times, and then the next day was the opposite problem. So unfortunately, I really didn't plan on being gone for this long. This is probably one of the longest breaks I've had to take from YouTube in a while, especially since a couple of years ago, I really started getting very serious about like my upload schedule and being very consistent. So this really killed me, and there was nothing I could do. Like literally for about 4 days after I had initially gotten sick with the food poisoning part, there was pretty much nothing I could do. All I could do was just lay in bed and not move. Like moving was the worst feeling ever. My stomach was nauseous, and anytime I ate anything, my stomach would be very upset afterwards. So it just got to the point where like I didn't want to eat anything just to like save my stomach from hurting. So that was overall where I've been for like the last pretty much like 3 weeks. I am trying to get back on everything now and get back to filming videos. I have not filmed videos in about a month, and that is like crazy. I kind of feel like tomorrow I'm going to do a big like planning and filming day and trying to like get a whole bunch more content filmed. So tomorrow's going to be a very busy day for me, trying to catch up on a lot of things and kind of spread out my content just a little bit so I can catch back up to the way I was doing. But I felt so terrible that I had ghosted, came back, and then I had to ghost again. That was just not my intention, and unfortunately that was just like what the world had for me. And then the last weekend was a holiday, and I was still not like 100%, but I wanted to like go be with my family and stuff. So I had that whole weekend was taken up with holiday stuff and then back to work. And it was just a rough time after everything all being said and done. And I haven't been able to do any walking or anything lately because, like I said, literally within just about the last 3 days, I have actually been feeling pretty much back to my normal self. I won't say like I feel great because I don't ever really feel great, but I feel better than I did and back to my usual baseline. So I am hoping to get back into the gym this coming week because I have been off of that for 3 weeks. And even though I don't like love going to the gym, I love the way it makes me feel, and I love the mental way it makes me feel because I have just been so lazy lately for the lack of energy, and literally there's just nothing you can do when you're laid up in bed with food poisoning. So I'm definitely trying to get back to all of that. I am still trying to like get my voice back to normal too. It still just sounds a little bit off to me. I don't know if that's obvious or not. In the last portion of this video, I do have like an unboxing for another medal that I finished. So you'll probably hear a little bit of a difference in my voice. I did record that one several days ago, so I might sound a little bit sicker there. But also, of course, with COVID, the last time I had it, like I said in my last plan with me, I had a really bad cough for like several months after the last time I had COVID. And this time it's not so much, I feel like the cough part has kind of gone away a little bit, but the part that hasn't is the constant needing to clear my throat. That has definitely been persistent, and I have been done with COVID for about 2 weeks now, and I still just every like minute I feel like I have to clear my throat. So that has been the really frustrating part of all of the like after symptoms of COVID. So definitely been dealing with that. And then I have gotten my scent and my taste back, of course, which is great. But I had initially wanted to, right before I got sick, I was planning on doing my big perfume updated video for Flower Nose, but then I lost my sense of smell. So I definitely had to wait for all of that to come back. So once again, I'm still trying to get that one done. It is on my plan. I know a lot of people have been wanting that video, and I am going to be doing my best. I don't think I'll be able to get to it tomorrow, but hopefully within this next week I will be able to film that and get that uploaded for you guys. So yeah, other than that, I've just been trying to get back to my normal self, trying to get back into the swing of things. It's another like kind of busier time for me at work, so being off of work and then having to catch up during my busy time was really stressful too. So really honestly, I just had absolutely no time, no energy to do any YouTube videos, but hopefully all of that will be kind of better tomorrow once I start getting more stuff done. So if anyone else has been sick out there, I feel for you so much. It is bad enough to get sick with COVID or food poisoning on their own, but then to have them back to back really took me out. Just, it was not what I needed. So hopefully I am good for a while, because that is just nothing that I want to go through again either way. But luckily I'm getting over everything and I am feeling way better. So that is all I could ask for at this point. So now really quickly, I do want to put in a little clip here. I want to do the unboxing for my latest walking challenge. I have a little bit of a funny story about this one, so I'll go ahead and get into that now. All right, guys, I have once again finished another walking challenge. I have been finishing a lot of them lately because I did do several like shorter ones and things like that. I don't get to pick the length of the walking challenge, so it just kind of depends on like it is what it is. So lately I have been doing more shorter ones. I had intended to do like short one, long one, short one, long one, but it just didn't work out that way this time. So I have finished another walking challenge, and the funny thing is about this one is I actually finished it while I was like pretty much dead in bed. So you guys know, like from my last plan with me and from this one as well, I have just been sick nonstop for like the last pretty much like 3 weeks now. And so this one I was almost on the brink of finishing right before I got sick, and I was pretty much in bed for like all like 2 weeks straight, and I probably got about maybe 200 steps a day. 200 steps a day. And I remember on one of the days I was just really not feeling good. I think pretty much I finished it by walking to the bathroom.
and I hit that last like 0.2 of a mile that I needed over like probably 7 days with getting like 200 steps each. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox the newest medal. Once again, as always, there's the little pin in here if I get one from all 7 continents. I really actually do want to get that one. So I have since ordered a few more. They had like a really good sale going on, so I did get a few more. So this one is for Vienna. So this is what the medal looks like. This one's so neat, and I did not even realize this until I got this one in. So this one was a 15-mile or 25-kilometer challenge. But if you see here, this is a music box on here. How cool is that? I didn't even realize that this was on here, so that is so neat. And obviously Vienna is like known for being a very musical city. I actually learned that from a Nancy Drew book, and of course you guys know I'm doing these challenges kind of like in conjunction with my Nancy Drew book. So if you read the book Captive Witness, in that book Nancy spends some time in Vienna. There is a violinist, so this was just such a cool thing. Now, if anybody actually knows what that tune is, I would love to know. I do not recognize it. Is it like the Austrian anthem? I don't know. Is it something completely different? I would love to know, but this is just such a really pretty medal. Once again, I just love how like musically themed it is. I did play violin when I was younger, and I just thought this was such a pretty one. And then to show off the like little lanyard part of it, this is what it looks like. It says Vienna Adventure Challenge. It has music staff on here and then music notes on the inside. So yeah, that is the Vienna walking challenge that I did. So that is another one done. All right, guys, so that is it for this walking challenge.
All right, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on social media. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.